So we're going to talk about theorem properties and proportionate parts. So first thing is triangle proportionality theorem. That just says that if DE is parallel to BC, like it is here, okay, then AD over BD is equal to AE over EC. Top over bottom equals top over bottom. Okay. My next one is a little bit harder to remember. It says if BD bisects angle ABC, then AB, this is still a top over bottom, AB over BC must be equal to AD is the top over bottom DC. Okay, so AD over DC. Okay, last concept last part is mid-segment, a segment whose midpoints are the endpoints of the triangle. So this is a mid-segment because it joins the midpoints of each side. Okay, and there's a property. If BD, in this case, is the mid-segment of triangle ACE, okay, then BD has to be 1/2 AE, okay? So if this is X, this is going to be 2X. So that's mid-segment theorem. So let's go through and practice this. So first thing is dealing with triangle proportionality theorem or proportionality theorem. It says BY over BD is going to be equal to TM, and then the corresponding part is going to be TE. Okay. My next one is AY, okay, so from here to here, over AM, so we're comparing sides, DY, and then that's going to be over ME. Okay, then we have TE over BD, so it's those sides, is equal to what over AD? So it's going to be AE is the corresponding part there. Okay? So we use these relationships. I know then 5 over X equals 6 over 4.5. So 6X is equal to 5 times 4.5. Which is 22.5. I divide by 6. And it's X is equal to 3.75. This one we have to be a little bit careful of. Okay? I have X over 6. Well, I can't just do 9 over 5. I need to figure out this right here, which is going to be 9 minus 5, which is equal to 4. So now I can write X over 6 equals 4 over 5. I cross multiply. 5X is equal to 24. So X must be equal to 4.8. Okay, these ones you have to be very careful about because these are not triangle proportionality theorem. Okay, you cannot do for this. I know a lot of you want to do X plus 5 over 9 equals 6 over 12. But X plus 5 is a whole side of one triangle over a whole side of another. So X plus 5 over 6. But then 9 is only part of a side. And so that's the issue. So what you need to do with this is you actually need to add the parts. So this is going to be X plus 5 plus 9, which is going to be X plus 14. So now I can write it, because I'm not comparing the top and the bottom, I'm actually comparing the triangles. It's going to be x plus 5 over 6 is equal to x plus 14 over 12. So you cross multiply, just be very careful when you're cross multiplying. So I have 12 times x plus 5 is equal to 6 times x plus 14. That's 12x plus 60 is equal to 6x plus 84. I subtract 6x. Six x equals 24, divide by 6, x is equal to 4. Now I put 4 in, is 9 over 18 the same thing as 6 over 12? It is indeed. So you practice this with this one. Again, if you're not comparing the two, if you're not comparing these sides, if you're comparing the bottoms, you're going to have to add. So 6 plus 8 is 14. So I'm going to do this triangle. 8 over 6 is equal to 14 over x. And so I have 8x is equal to 6 times 14. 8x is equal to 84. X is equal to 10.5. Okay. These ones are just a little bit more complicated. Again, you kind of have to do the same thing, but it's not so bad. So this is mid-segment theorem. So these aren't too bad. So now we're talking about a mid-segment. Okay, this is talking about mid-segments. So I know that these two parts are congruent, so all I have to do is set them equal to each other. So don't overcomplicate this. It's going to be 3y minus 9 is equal to 2y plus 6. Y minus 9 is equal to 6. Y is equal to 15. Okay. This is also, this is a mid-segment, okay, because it joins the midpoints of the sides. So I know that if I take this right here, x plus 2 is 1/2 5/3 x plus 11. You can write it that way, or you can say 2 times x plus 2. If I double this segment right here, double, I end up with this segment here. Okay, so you decide which one you want to do. So for this one, this is going to be x plus 2 is equal to, I do distributive property, this would be 5, 6 plus 11, 6. And I'd multiply each side by 6 to get rid of my fraction. So this would be 6x plus 12 is equal to 5x plus 11. I subtract my 5x, subtract my 5x, x plus 12 is equal to 11. So x is equal to -1. And I'm hoping I didn't just make a mistake live on video. So we'll see. I'm going to do this again just to see. This is going to be 2x plus 4 is equal to 5/3 x plus 10. I multiply each side by 3. So that's going to be 6x plus 8 is equal to 5x plus 30. Yeah, I made some sort of mistake here. Oh, I did 11/6 and it should be 11/2. Okay, that's what happened. So then this would divide out to be 3. So this would have been 33, and then 33 minus 12 is 21. So actually x should have been 21 in this case. Okay, I'm just going to go through this one though. So subtract 5x, subtract 5x. This is going to be x plus 8 is equal to 30 minus 8 minus 8. X is equal to 22. And I have to figure out what I did wrong there. It's 33. I have no idea. It's not going to check my answer. So I can plug it in. So 5/3 times 22 plus 11. Oh, 3 times 4, this is 12.